Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. As you know, winter is about to come in Delhi. And in Delhi, when I mean winter, I mean extreme winter. So we'll be doing some care for this winter season. I'll be taking care of our rose plant. As you know, in this year's heat wave, all of our rose plants died. So my mom thought of ordering some rose plants. These are actually the desi variety of rose plants. My mom is simply pruning the plants to get more buds in this plant. And not only that, this will make the plant more bushier. And pruning is also essential to prepare your rose plants for winter, as it may remove any dead, diseased or damaged branches which can attract pests and diseases. Make sure to prune your rose plant in late autumn or early winter. And make sure to not forget to use clean and sharp pruning shears to make clean cuts. Today my mom is also going to show you how to make a special fertilizer, so make sure to watch till the end to know how. Because the fertilizer is very easy to make and is absolutely free of cost. It can be simply made in your homes and will have a lot of benefits on your plants. But as you know, before giving any kind of fertilizer, we must always dig the plant. Digging the plant is very essential as it helps in aeration. Not only that, it also helps the roots to breathe. And if you dig before giving any kind of fertilizer, it will help your plant absorb the fertilizer much better. So those are some reasons you should dig before you give your fertilizer to the plant. After that, grab a big bowl and add kitchen waste compost. As you know, kitchen waste compost fulfills all kind of micro and macronutrients. After that, add grinded egg shells. Also, don't forget to add dried banana peels as well. Tea leaf compost is also preferred. After you have added all these, make sure to mix them properly. After that, you can give this fertilizer to your plants. Also, if you do not know how to make kitchen waste compost, then make sure to go to our channel, because we have given a video on how you can make kitchen waste compost. My mom is simply taking the topsoil of the plant and mixing it with the fertilizer. Now she's digging the plant a little bit again. Actually, after giving the fertilizer, she will add more topsoil. Because my mom noticed that whenever she gave fertilizer on the top, it took a little bit of time to reach to the bottom. So she's trying to give it near the roots. Also, there is one more reason. That is, when we water the plants after giving our fertilizer, we water little too much. And the fertilizer gets out of the pot and just goes to waste. So I think this is a better way. That's all. If you also have roses in your plant, then make sure to take care of your plants like this. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.